Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to edit label presets on Etsy website. So all you need to do, just go first of all and open the browser that you're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. So of course here in my case I'm actually using Brave, but of course in your case you can use any other browser, could be possibly working for you. So once you actually open your browser, just go here to the URL section and type etsy.com and hit the enter button. That will take you into this page, and of course if you are logged in into your account you'll find this sentence welcome back, and that will be just your name, your username or whatever. But if you are not logged in into your account or you don't have an account, you'll find an option called sign in at the top right corner, and of course just go and click on it, and from there you'll be able to log in into your account or to create an account if you don't have one. Of course you'll be able to do that if you want with a Google account, Facebook account, or even an Apple account if you don't want to go through all the boring steps of creating or logging in into your account. So once you did that, you'll find yourself here, as we said, in the home or the main screen, and of course you'll find this sentence again. So of course, as we said, we would like to edit the label presets on our shop on Etsy website. So simply just go to your shop manager at the top right corner, click on it. Of course, if you don't have a shop yet, you will need to go and create one for the first time. So once you are here, all you need to do, just go and click at the order and shipping. So of course for you will have here orders. Of course, if you want to edit the label, right? If you want to edit the label presets, you will certainly have some orders. For me, I don't have any orders yet, but of course for you, you'll find the orders right there. Just go and click on it, on the item or your order, and you'll find at the top an option called Get Shipping Labels. So of course just go and click on that to create one, and you can even edit your own when you select your order. So this will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching, and goodbye.